Now, how to create the virtual machine on Azure? So you can go to the portal.azure.com, and there you will see the virtual machine. You can click on the virtual machine, and there you have the create. So we will create a virtual machine, create a VM machine. So basics, subscription, free trial, resources. You can create the new resource group, G01. So under the basics, you can select the free trial resource group. You can create machine name, Windows search, and South India, and ability job. Okay, and standard security type, Windows 10 Pro. Okay, this is the Windows 10 Azure Spot, and delete policy when I'm vacating. Then it should delete the machine. Standard pricing. This is 3.5 GB memory. Okay, one virtual CPU version 2. Okay, standard version 2, and total I have to pay 6.051 USD. So I have total 200 USD. Out of that I will pay for this one per hour. Okay, and now I will create the username. So username I will say login admin VM, and provide the username and the password, and RDP inbound port. So this is the port, HTTP RDP, HTTPS. So HTTP, confirm, and review and create. Now we will create a one virtual machine, Windows 10.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell.
see this validation is passed to create the virtual machine, so we can review. And the subscription is the free trial Selenium run Windows 10 Pro standard 1 CPU 3.5 GB memory Windows client premium standard disk. Okay, enable RG01 and then create. It will take time to create the virtual machine. Initializing the deployment. So create VM Microsoft Windows Desktop 10, Windows 10. Okay, deployment is in progress. So this is the deployment is done. So what I will do, I will click on it and so resource group is created, then we will create the virtual machine. So I will create the one virtual machine and create on it. It will take time to initialization for the deployment of the RG01. Okay, so deployment is in progress. Resource group we have created. So VM0113 is created. Okay. So we have the VM machine. This is the IP address of the VM machine. So let me go to the virtual machines and then I will say this virtual machine VM011 is created. Free try. So earlier we have created the resource group. So for that we have uh, and done the submission and everything. So now we have created the virtual machine. So this is my virtual machine VM01, and this is the public IP address of the virtual machine. So I'll copy this one, and then you can copy this one and go to the remote connection and enter the remote ID computer and connect. Complete. Go to create another VM, and then we will go to the VM machine, so virtual machine. So this virtual South India status is running Windows standard DS. IP address is this. So now I'm going to connect. Okay. So use login view. Okay. So use enter download button for the connection. Yes. Okay. So now I have the VM machine. This is the Windows 10 machine. So now this VM machine is running. Okay. So we have logged into the VM machine. So we have seen this how we can do the resource group registration. Then we have created the one virtual machine. Okay, like that. Now the status is running. To stop this one, you can stop it. Okay, the VM machine, and I'm going to stop this VM machine. Okay, so now installing the Google Chrome on virtual machine.